Hello and welcome back to Sprinkler Supply Store. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy and you're watching Sprinkler TV. Today we're going to take a look at Hunter's ACCU SYNC Pressure Regulators. These are pressure regulators that you can add to all Hunter valves to control the pressure or regulate the pressure at the valve. And when we say regulate the pressure, we don't mean increase the pressure. Pressure regulation is when the pressure is lowered. So these really should be called pressure reducers. Even though they're called pressure regulators, you can only reduce pressure with these devices. The only way to actually raise the pressure is with gravity or with a pump. Otherwise, we're reducing pressure. So if you have 100 PSI coming into your irrigation system, you can add either a fixed ACCU SYNC pressure regulator. This happens to be the 50 model. There's also a 20, a 30, a 40, this 50, and then there's a 70-pound fixed regulator. Or you can use the Hunter ACCU SYNC adjustable regulator. So with this one, you can tune it in anywhere from 20 PSI, as we see there, to 100 PSI. And I'm actually going to install this on a valve with you here. And the way it works is this portion underneath goes into the solenoid, or the top of the bonnet where the solenoid is attached, and then the solenoid is placed up here. So let's go ahead and do this together. What I have is, again, I've got the adjustable ACCU SYNC, the fixed ACCU SYNC, and then I have a Hunter PGV valve. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unscrew the solenoid and remove it, set it off to the side, because of course we're still gonna need it. Okay. And then let's, you know what? Let's do the adjustable ACCU SYNC. And the way this works is it's going to thread into the port where the solenoid was, but there's a couple things you need to keep in mind because you can't just turn it in because the flow control knob is in the way. So the way this works, I'll hold it up to the camera, is you can see the square portion on the top. That actually is able to move or spin with the use of just a pair of pliers. So let me make this a little bit wider. So the way this works is you can grip the top with pliers and then you can turn and thread that right into the solenoid port. Okay, so I'm gonna flip the camera over here again and we're gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna get it started like that. And then again, all you do is you grip on to the square portion and you thread it down. Okay, it doesn't take many turns to do it. And once you've got it all the way, you can reposition the regulator right where you want it. So again, I've got it down tight, and then I'm going to just spin that a little bit where we want it. And then I'm gonna take the solenoid and put it back into place on the top here. Okay, like that. Always make sure that everything is tight. Let's flip the camera back around and give you a closer view. There it is. Now it is installed on the PGV valve. I'm going to turn the regulator so that you can see the dial positions. And what you can do is simply get it so you can see it better there, is when you turn the end, that cranks it up to 100 PSI. And if you turn it clockwise, you can lower the PSI right where you need it. So depending on the type of sprinkler or the type of drip, you can dial that in accordingly. So let's say you're using Hunter MP rotators, you might want to dial this into 40 PSI. If you're using drip, you might want it at 20 or 30 PSI. And if you're using, let's say, Hunter PGPs I-20s, you might want that dialed in at the 50 PSI. And then Hunter I-40s, the large drain rotors, you might actually want that up at 60, 70 PSI, just depending on how much water that you're actually flowing through the nozzle. So keep that in mind. My recommendation, if you're looking to regulate your Hunter valve, is to go with the adjustable ACCU SYNC because it's all pressure regulators built into one, versus this is just the 50-pound regulator. Another thing to keep in mind is this can unthread. So what you can do is remove it, from the piece that we installed on the valve. And let me get the other one here real quick. You can see this one unthreads as well. So you can always interchange the regulators at any given time to whatever you want, whatever the job calls for. Okay, so that right there, that would just be fixed at 50 pounds of pressure, non-adjustable. So again, if in doubt, go with the adjustable ACCU SYNC regulator that displays both PSI and bars. Couldn't be any easier to use, only takes just a minute to install. And if there's any other questions we can answer for you about pressure in your system, or how to fix a valve, or how to design pipe size, whatever it is, we're happy to help you. You can reach us by phone, chat, email, text message. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling. Talk to you then.